Why didn't you try for NDA with your dad also?
Oh, I really wanted to.
You wanted to.
Oh, I really wanted to.
Everybody in APS wants to
Yes,
go
I
to
really
NDA.
wanted to. But then you know what happened? I think after some time I got scared. I think when the Kargil war was happening, there were few martyrs who were from our school, and their parents came, and that memory will never go out of my head.
Yes.
And then after, when I was supposed to go and give the ND exams, it always played in my head that, do I really have it in me? Because it's real. It's not a movie where a movie is made and the guy goes and he sacrifices his life. This was happening real at real time in our school.
Yeah.
There were seniors. Couple of them were just 5-6 years elder to us. So you could hear the stories and you thought. So when my time came of giving ND exams, the written exams, I was scared. I actually asked myself, do you really have it in you?
Yeah, so the last time I went to APS was an old students meet, and when I went out there, it was, I think, it wasn't just an old students meet, but it was also some others had come in. It was that. And when I went in, I saw pictures on the wall of people who were from my batch, a little junior to me, Kargil martyrs, and I saw parents of parents who I had seen during our sports days.
Wow.
During our sports day wala event, they used to come for their children.
Yeah.
They were being honored by the principal because those children had died in the Kargil war. That was the last time I went, because it was scary that so many of your classmates had passed away and died in action. I mean, the Indian Army doesn't use the word martyrs, so maybe I used wrong. It was who were brave hearts who died in action. But sacrifice their lives. And it's a different kind of a feeling.
Yeah.
And I think a lot of it, when I read that you were from Army Public School, then I realized where a lot of your Desh Bhakti comes so naturally to you. It's not something which you've grown up with it. You've grown up in a cantonment life. You've grown up in.
Yeah.
So
that's in me. Yeah.
It's your skin.
Yes, and because my dad, my uncles, mamas, and everyone were in army at the time, it was a but obvious kind of a path that mujhe bhi ye banna hai. And but in between I realized it's not easy, because you always thought physically fit hona hai, thoda padhai karna hai, thoda smart hona hai, ye hai wo hai, ND exam dena ho jayega. But then when these things happen, you realize this is real. And to my fortune, right after class 12th, I got a call from Mohan Bagan, and my professional journey started. Otherwise, I don't know what I would have done.
Click here to watch the full episode.